Oscar Concessao, partner Oscar and Pony Architects, Chennai. Architect Oscar and Pony Concessao are a partnership-based firm in Chennai. Both Oscar and Pony are alumni for bachelor's degree in architecture from the National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli and master's degree from University of Oklahoma and Cornell University, USA. And later they received their advanced professional studies and specialization at Harvard University, USA. And they were conferred with the honorary doctorates from the University of Malaysia and University of Milano for modern architecture. Following their nation-building dreams, they moved back to India in 1996, and they have founded Oscar and Pony Architects in Chennai. Oscar and Pony Architects have won 138 national, state and international awards. Recently, Oscar and Pony Architects have won the prestigious Telangana Secretariat project at Hyderabad at a national design competition. The firm specializes in urban design, architecture and interior design, stressing on green building norms and sustainable architectural design. Oscar and Pony Architects have won international, national and state awards for architecture and interior design. Some of the main awards are both Oscar and Pony have won Distinguished Alumni Awards for the Golden Jubilee celebrations of National Institute of Technology, Trichy from His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, President of India in 2014. Won the Indian Institute of Architects National Award for the Sastra University Biotech Campus 2008, Women Icon of Asia International Award for Architect Pony Concessao, Singapore 2019. Several Icon of Spaces and Estrade International Awards for Architecture and Interiors, Singapore and Indian Building Congress National Awards for Architecture and Interiors. Let us now proceed to Architect Oscar Concessao's presentation.
A very good morning to one and all. It is thrilling to know that Icon Best Conference focuses on the role that we play in shaping the natural and built environment. Hearty congratulations to the SRM Institute of Science and Technology and the organizing team, the dean and the faculty. We are all architects of a better world. I am delighted to be a speaker at this conference, Icon Best Summit. I am inspired to see such diverse group of leaders from architects, engineers, business, civil society, and government executives. You are here because you understand that change and progress are possible with vision and ambition. We need you to be architects of a sustainable future and built environment. Climate change threatens, and the environmental base of future progress is becoming even more fragile. Sustainable development presents many challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, the sustainable journey that we all need to take in everybody's best interest, even if it may sometimes demand short-term sacrifices. Everyone has a role to play. Ladies and gentlemen, today I ask you to be architects of a better world and the built environment. Help us to respond to the urgency of our global challenges and build a better tomorrow. My topic is smart cities from Oscar and Pony Architects. What is a smart city? A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic methods and sensors to collect data. This includes data collected from citizens, devices, buildings, and assets that is then processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems, power plants, utilities, water supply networks, waste, crime detection, information systems, schools, libraries, hospitals, and other community services. What are the smart city concepts? We have smart governance and smart education, smart healthcare, smart buildings, smart mobility, smart infrastructure, smart technology, smart energy, and finally, smart citizens. There are several components of a smart city, right from people and education, energy, environment, infrastructure, security, government administration, mobility, innovation technology, and healthcare. What are smart buildings? A smart building is one that is using technology to share information about what goes on in the building between systems so to optimize the building performance. This information is then used to automate various processes from heating and ventilation to air conditioning and security. Smart mobility. This smart mobility solution offers a multimodal capability which bundles transport options such as public transport, on demand services, vehicle sharing, bike sharing, and ride hailing. With access to a mobile app, customers can book and pay for mobility services through an integrated account. Smart technology. A smart technology that uses data and technologies to improve the lives of the citizens and businesses that inhabit it. The IoT, that is Internet of Things, is a network of physically connected devices like vehicles or home appliances that enable these things to connect and exchange data. Smart infrastructure is very much needed in smart cities that use data and technology to create efficiencies, improve sustainability, create economic development, and enhance the life factors of people living and working in the city. It also means that the city has a smarter energy infrastructure. Smart digital infrastructure helps to increase understanding and the control of operations and optimize the use of limited resources in every city. Smart governance. Smart governance are two sides of the same coin. The use of internet and digital technology is creating a progressive government-public partnership, strengthening government institutions and integrating all sections of society. Smart citizen. Smart cities includes apps that allow citizens to report local issues more easily, or community networking platforms that allow neighbors to connect and share resources. Smart citizen can be placed in locations like balconies and windowsills to gather data on local environment, including air pollution and noise. Smart healthcare is a health service system that uses technology such as wearable devices, IoT, and mobile internet to dynamically access information, connect people, materials, and institutions related to healthcare, and then actively manages and responds to medical ecosystem needs in an intelligent manner. Smart parking is a parking solution that includes in-ground smart parking sensors, cameras, or counting sensors. This data is then transmitted to a smart parking mobile application or website which communicates the availability to its users. Now, what are intelligent transport systems? An intelligent transportation system, ITS, is an advanced application which aims to provide innovative services relating to different modes of transport and traffic management and enables users to have better informed and make safer, more coordinated and smarter use of transport networks. These technologies include calling for emergency services when an accident occurs, using cameras to enforce traffic laws, or signs that mark speed limit changes on several conditions. Intelligent transport system. In smart cities with mature traffic management solutions, advanced traffic control technologies enable traffic signals to adjust based on real-time traffic conditions with increasing use of artificial intelligence. Traffic data is sent to connected vehicles transmitting to the traffic flow. The traffic management. A smart city is defined as a city equipped with intelligent infrastructure which provides improved quality of life with sustainable environment through smart built solutions. Smart cities demand for a reliable, energy efficient, and quality power, and thus smart grid becomes imperative. Now, what's a smart grid? You have wind power plants, you have underwater cables, you have solar power plants, then energy is stored, and then through the energy management system, which is distributed through the different smart houses, thermal power plants giving energy. You have electric vehicles and smart houses and smart cities and smart offices using a smart grid. Now, what is smart urban lighting? A smart city lighting system is when a metropolitan or an area within a metropolitan city uses the street roadway lighting systems to not only provide a safe illuminated roadway to the occupants of the city, but also uses the systems lighting photo controls and various sensors to collect data, then uses insights gained from this data to manage assets, resources, and service efficiencies. The smart urban lighting, it can provide the municipal the following information: air quality, temperature readings, wind speed, people counting, flood detection, crowd noise, gunshot detection, and population density by using smart urban lighting. Waste management, a proposition for improved smart waste management solution in the context of smart city. The current state of technology in the field of smart waste management involves the use of sensors that measure the fill level of trash bin. Measured data is sent to the cloud for further processing and analysis. Digital signage. Digital signage also can be used by cities to better engage with citizens, informing inhabitants about district events or encouraging people to use shared devices displaying closest available city centers and public transportation throughout the city are tangible uses of case scenarios. What is smart city urban planning? They plan to focus on building smart blocks and implementing hybrid energy systems, promoting smart mobility, including smart traffic management, developing shared urban spaces featuring urban gardening, rainwater management, and waste management in circular systems, encouraging citizens towards a healthier lifestyle. How greenfield cities provide superior quality of life and infrastructure in urban India. Quality of life is determined by various parameters such as physical and mental health, safety and security, health and education, economic and financial opportunities, education and culture, spirituality and right to personal beliefs, public services and transportation, and a well balanced live, work, and play environment. A well planned city with ICT enabled infrastructure allows for zero waste, systems of 100% recycling and reuse, renewable energy generation, and desalination. What are the major lessons learned from developing smart cities? Don't skip any stage of urban planning. There are no shortcuts. Create a detailed infrastructure plan along with a development plan. Pre-identification of all approvals, clearances, and permissions. Shortening the construction schedule and prepare for project construction overruns. What are the challenges involved in smart cities? The major challenges in greenfield cities are adequate budgetary allocation and funding, government and private investments, multiple stakeholder management, and availability of skilled and non-skilled labor that impacts the project's quality, progress, and timeline. Cities have faced challenges like congestion, pollution, and safety for decades, and most have a plan to combat them. While they continue to face these traditional issues, new threats such as cyber attacks, climate change, and other emerging problems are arising in cities. How smart cities can use IoT, that's Internet of Things, to become the green cities of tomorrow. Broadly speaking, the Internet of Things represents internet connected devices ranging from smart speakers to health trackers using different platforms. How do you evaluate smart cities baseline, sustainable level, and track progress? One of the pressing challenges facing all smart cities that want to become more sustainable is not understanding the most pressing issues in the city that negatively affect the planet. How do you improve waste management techniques? Globally, there is 3.5 million tons of waste generated daily, and that number is rising. So, for a smart city to get serious about environmental sustainability, it cannot overlook practical ways to curb waste production, mainly by recycling. When cities take advantage of Internet of Things technology to manage waste, the relevant representatives can learn which areas generate the most waste, whether waste levels go up or down or certain days or more. Now, reducing resource usage. Many people are already familiar with smart meters that track the amount of energy used in homes. These gauges also typically give information about fluctuations in energy use over time. Building information modeling. Building information models or BIM models are being used to direct real life building construction, right from architectural integration, conceptual design, architecture and development integration of different stakeholders in terms of engineering services, general arrangement of drawings, multi-material detailing reports, fabrication integration, and site management. What are smart facades? The IoT technology, along with relevant advancements in field of material science, gave birth to smart facades. The smart facade is a building envelope that adapts to environmental conditions in different ways. It makes use of building surroundings to help in controlling the interior environment in terms of thermal, climate, lighting, and weather conditions. IoT and modular construction. Prefabricated and modular construction has increased in 2019 as more contractors use the practice of building off-site and then transporting the sections to the site. For contractors, this is a strategy that saves time, resources, and leads to reduction of unnecessary waste. Future technology of smart cities, traffic control. Smart city public transport routes can be adjusted in real time according to demand, and intelligent traffic light systems can be used to improve congestion. In the smart city, an artificial intelligence based equipment has helped reduce traffic jams a lot. Now, future technology of smart city, public safety. Smart cities spread of Wi Fi connectivity, IoT technologies, and CCTV cameras. Cities are able to harness to improve resident safety and boost incident response times. Real time video data from smart city is then analyzed in order to better track and allocate resources on the ground and improve public safety. Future technology of smart cities also is bicycle sharing systems. A bicycle sharing system is a service in which bicycles are made available for shared use of individuals on a short term basis for a price or for free. Docks are special bike racks that lock the bike and only release it by computer control. The user enters payment information and the computer unlocks a bike. The user returns the bike by placing it in the dock, which locks it into place. Smart roads. IoT building innovations are leading the way in creating sustainable cities. While the industry has already come a long way, there's still so much more work to be done. Moreover, the IoT has come to support more than just buildings situated in smart cities. Smart roads that use sensors in the road surface to manage traffic. Energy efficiency. Smart cities also use technology to help closely monitor real-time energy use and reduce energy consumption. In the smart city, homes are being provided with smart energy meters that are designed to reduce energy consumption. What are the future cities of 2050 going to look like? The city of the future is highly interconnected, smart environment where people, government, and business operate in symbiosis with spectacular improving technologies such as big data, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robots, drones, autonomous green vehicles, 3D, 4D printing, and renewable energy. Simultaneously, it is also a place where surveillance is pervasive and data capture is considered permissible by the city residents. Smart cities are designed to capture massive amounts of data about the population and its patterns and use it to inform decision making. Future smart cities of 2050. Future space cities. The Future Space City project acts as a carrier that can move while at the same time the spacecraft design provides power to travel around the universe without using all of its energy reserves. As the team states, the energy crystal is controlled and adjusted by artificial intelligence in the vast universe. It uses gravitational accretion to capture the surrounding material energy use for its own use. Space City can become an ideal habitat. It is a mixture of lives that can move freely through the universe and usher in a new urban civilization. In conclusion, about smart cities, the need to create new cities in India is urgent and pressing. The government can ill afford to wait for the existing cities to get more congested or for the new cities to evolve on their own. To facilitate and encourage such private sector led smart urban development, which will only generate massive revenue for the nation and also create huge employment opportunities for its people. The government needs to realize the importance of greenfield smart cities and act quickly to provide a supportive policy framework and incentives for the same. Greenfield city development across India at strategic locations have the potential to put the Indian economy on a fast track and make India a global benchmark in smart city urban development and propelling India into the 21st century in the actual sense. Thank you.
Thank you, Architect Oscar Concessao, for your insightful presentation. I'm certain that the audience have found it to be a very informative presentation. Now we shall take a short break for our sponsor video, post which we shall proceed to our next speaker, Professor Charanjit Singh Shah.
Trust Epco for all the furniture hardware. Epco, simplifying lives.
Live Smart by EPCO. Intelligent hardware for homes.